Hello friends, welcome to my channel Archie Chaudhary. I hope you all are doing fine and taking good care of your health. Friends, today I'll be showing you a nice video where I'm getting ready for Raksha Bandhan. Raksha Bandhan is an Indian festival where we all tie Rakhi and a colorful thread near our brother's wrist, and that is called as Rakhi or Raksha Bandhan. So without much ado, let's get started. मेरी राखी की डोर कहीं हो ना कमज़ोर, दे दो कलाई बहन आई है। मेरे राखी की डोर कहीं हो ना कमज़ोर, भैया दे दो कलाई बहन आई है। So friends, I've washed my face, cleaned my face well. I've just applied some rose water and now I'll just start my video on how to do a nice Raksha Bandhan look for all your brothers out there. Sisters need to look so pretty and beautiful. So here I'll be starting my routine now and getting ready for Raksha Bandhan. So here I've taken Revlon Photo Ready Perfecting Primer. You always know I apply this, and now also I'll just take a little, apply it over my face. Just use the primer or anything which you have. I took very little. I just took so much and I'll apply it as a dab now. Just put some dots which will look very nice and it will make your makeup stay for longer. This is always a good base to start with. So here I've applied it all over my face and neck. Never ever forget the neck, because neck is also a very important part to look beautiful. So here I'm done and I put it all over my face. Don't go with my grey hair because I had some skin rashes, so I didn't put any hair dye. So I said I'll just show how natural you can be when there's any festival also in India. So here I've taken my Revlon nearly naked foundation powder, and it's 020 light pale. This really suits me and blends well with my skin, so I always use this. And you must have seen in all my makeup videos I use this a lot, so that it gives a fine touch and a perfect look. So this is my favorite actually, and it's from the Revlon brand, and Revlon is one of my favorite. I use everything in Revlon, whether be it hair dye or anything. So today I'm going to show you what you can do for your hair also when you cannot dye your hair immediately or because of some other reasons and all. So I'll show you how to cover up my hair also. So this is all done. Again, I feel so pretty with Revlon. So the basic two-step is already done. I've put primer, I've put my powder, and here it looks all flawless and nice, and I'm already feeling so pretty. And over here I've taken CoverGirl True Naked Jewels. I'll be using the golden and blue because I have the cream and blue color on my dress, so I'll be using cream and golden a lot over here for my eyeshadow. So with this brush, I'll just take the light one first. I'll take a golden one so that it gives me a nice shimmer. Just put some eyeshadow over here. Just lightly, because I am not a big fan of eyeshadow because my eyes are so small first of all. So I just like to be natural. And now that I have a little blue, I'll just give it a little blue over here. Actually it became off more, but it's okay. With my ring finger I'll try to adjust it off, because you know that heat will be there in the fingers and it will blend very well. Just see. So for both of them I used my ring finger, and today I'm wearing rings but not on my ring finger. One is in the middle finger, one is in the ring finger. So I've just blended it well. I feel good already. So this was it. Very simple and a very quick makeup I'm going to show. And this is the Physician foundation. which I'll use it as a blush. And you know that I had showed you last time also when I was doing a makeup. This is from Walmart I bought, but it's a very expensive one. It was like $10 or $11, but this suits my skin so well, and it is having hearts and all. Just see, it has hearts and all the different pinks, so I just love it, and it blends very well with my this one. This will be my Rakhi look actually. I'm not in India right now, and my brother is also not with me. So I always love Raksha Bandhan because I love my brother so much. If when we were little children, we used to have so much fun on festivals. But when I came to America, everything just got changed, and everything got changed, and I miss those moments. But that's only life. Everybody has to move to different places for work, study, etc. So I came off here. My brother went off to a different country. My sister is in India. My parents are in India. So I miss all these kinds of festivals. So this way, my half makeup is already done, and just look at my skin. Of course, I had a little rough day yesterday, and from 5-6 days I had rashes over my body. At least I'm feeling good. I had some rashes over my hands and all. They gave me steroids, but I'm feeling much better now. So I said, okay, this is the time to dress up, and tomorrow is Raksha Bandhan. I said, let this video go right on time before Raksha Bandhan and Rakhi, so that my brother and my sister, all my family members can look at this video and feel very happy. And now for giving a little more nice eye definition, I'm going to use this metallic eyeshadow. If you all can see, eye def metallic eyeshadow. So just to give a little shimmer so that it looks nice, golden and all. So just I'll just put one drop, and again I'll just rub it with my ring finger and give it a nice golden look. Golden looks always look nice. So I'll just put it over here also. It was so hot in the summer. It went up to 95 degrees, and I love summer, but it didn't suit my skin. So doctor said not to go out much in the sun. So my skin will become all right. I'm going to do DIYs again and take away all my tan from the skin, but ignore my skin for today, because yesterday from past 8 or 9 days I had rashes over my body and I could not take care. But now everything is okay because doctors gave me a steroid, and will continue with my makeup look. My topics goes deviated. Sorry about that. So here I was trying to find a nice sticker around to put on my forehead, but there was so much of choices. I have the whole box of colorful stickers to put on the forehead. I'll show you some. So I bought this from Amazon and all. So I was really so confused. They are really very good. And I bought it from Amazon. So there are different colors, different tones and all. So I was really having a confusion, but I just picked up one. So I'll show the stickers in an Amazon haul. Actually, I'm planning to do another video. So I'll just take a sticker and put it on my forehead and show you guys. So at last I picked up one which is having a light blue and a stone and all in it, and it looks like that. I'm going to put this one, the dark blue one. So here I'm taking it out and just putting it on my forehead. I used to put this in India when I was a little girl and all, whenever I would go to any parties and all. And it has a nice sticker adhesive on it, and see how does it look. So beautiful. I just love the Indian look, but coming to America I had to wear other clothes because I worked for 7-8 years in US, and had to take care of things and didn't wear much of Indian clothes. Then nobody was here with me to celebrate the festivals. We would just video time, FaceTime, and We would do Skype that time. Remember how many people of y'all had Skype with your family members? So I used to do swipe. Then I started a lot on Facebook Messenger. That was very easy, but now everybody does WhatsApp. So here it is, and I just put my sticker. I'm getting that Indian feel and Indian look. I miss the Indian festivals and I'm over here, but whenever there is something, if I get a chance to go and meet my Indian friends, I really do meet, and I'll show you my lipstick which I'm going to put now. So now I'm going to wear some nice necklace. This one of my American church friend had given to me. It looks so beautiful. Just look at it. I'll wear this and I'll feel I'll get a nice Indian look with this. So let me wear this. So here I have worn my necklace. It took a little long time for me to fix it. But here it is, and I'm going to do a very simple hair look. As I told you, I'm going to show you a nice way to cover your hair touch-ups. So I bought this from Garnier Express Retouch, and it's grey hair concealer. So I'm using it for the first time. One of my friends gave me this and she didn't want to use it. She said it was not going to suit her. So it comes like this in a small bottle container, and you have a leaflet over here also. There are all instructions written. So I know how to use this because I had used it once and I told my friend to use it. So I'll just shake it, and I'm trying to use it over here, and it comes like this and it looks like this. It has an applicator. I think I'll shake it well. Just look at the sound of it. So I just have some gray hair, and here I got it, and I'll just try to show you how to fit it into your roots. I don't think I like all this, but just because my friend didn't want to use, and she said use of somewhere in your DIYs or somewhere on your YouTube, so I'm using it here. It's not bad for, it's in black color, so I don't know which color also. It is dark brown. It is written over here dark brown. I hope you all can see it. I don't think I would use it often. Just to show it and get an hack over it, I just wanted to show you guys. So it's not bad. It's good. So now I'll just do one simple hairstyle and show you. I think you'll have to touch it with your fingers also. Yeah, see, it's leaving out color. But it's okay for a time. One time you can use it if you are in urgency and all. So you know my hairstyle. I'm going to do a very simple hairstyle. I have this bow which I had brought it from India, but you get it even in Amazon. So I really like this. So I'll just put it, and there's a clip over here. There's a net over here. So I'll just get ready and show you my final look with my lipstick. So here I'm applying a lipstick, and this is a lipstick called Liquil. So I got it from Kohl's. It is flawless, if you all can see. Wanted to get, and this is the company Liquid, however you pronounce it, that's what it is called, Liquid, and it's a Kohl's brand, and it is flawless. There's no number in it, so I can't give you the number, but it has a nice compact. You can keep it in your purse. Very compact. I've always used this when I went to work and all. And it's a good brown tone, which is suited for any Asian girls and all. So I'll just apply now. I love this shade so much. I feel it suits me the best, and now I'm just going to apply some nice eyeliner. So as I'm wearing a brown dress, so I'll wear something sparkly brown eyeliner, which will give a good spark to the eyes also. I wanted to tell you all which is this. I don't know which company it is, but it says Spark It Up. I think you can see Spark It Up. I think it's a Maybelline or L'Oreal only. I don't get anything. I bought it from Walmart, I guess, but I really like this blue color. So I said I would love to use blue color for all my blue dresses. And when you do eyeliner and eye pencils, never stretch your eyelids so down that they can just tear up. You can just touch a little and just put it. That's a little tip I'm giving you. Just look at this. I really love it. And now to give a good volume to your eyelashes, I'm using CoverGirl Lash Blast Fusion. It's from CoverGirl. So this is how it looks, and I like this again just to pump up nicely. And I didn't put any clips, and I have a little oily hair because I just washed my hair and my hairs were looking all puffed up. So I'll just put some mascara. Not a big fan of mascara and all. I just put lipstick and go off anywhere, and little eye pencil and eye liner little. That's all my little makeup which I do. I'm not a big fan of doing all this, but today just because I had to create that Rakhi look for all the brothers out there. So that it got off on my, let me clear this up. Oh, it got cleaned up very quickly. See, I was talking, no, I didn't have that concentration. So the mascara is very nice actually. So this is how my final look looks. I hope you all liked it, and my brother likes this video too. I hope he sees. I don't know whether he watches my videos or no. You can just give a little eyeliner little out so that it gives you a nice wing. Yeah, I'm not a big fan of putting eyeliner in a very professional manner. I just do it very simple, and this is how I look. Now I'll give you my whole look with my veil and my dupatta also, and let me know how do you all like my Raksha Bandhan look. All the girls over there, get ready for your brothers like this, the way I've showed you. And this is how I do, and this is how I look. So I hope you all like it. And if you have liked it, like, share, comment and subscribe. Love you all. Have a nice day. Happy Raksha Bandhan. I have a nice nose pin over here. So I'll put this also and get ready. So this is an artificial nose pin. So you can get this also on Amazon. I bought it from Amazon. This is a very difficult. I've not put a nose ring before, so I just got this from Amazon, and it doesn't suit me. No wonder I never poked my nose. This is how a nose pin looks. Funny, but let me hold on for this look at least. So happy Raksha Bandhan to all the brothers out there. Thank you for watching.